speak about the importance of the emotional brand connection, or some people would say visceral brand connection. And, we come across a lot of clients along the way and people in the market that, they're really focused on the science behind what they're doing and the product itself and so forth. And I think that's okay if you're just coming out of the gate, you're still in the research mode, or you're in trials or something like that. But there comes a time where you're going to have to shift gears, and you have to shift where you are now focused on your audiences that are going to create demand for your product or your service. And those audiences are usually patients and caregivers and the healthcare professionals. And just putting people imagery on top of the science content that was there before, which we see happen a lot, is just not going to do it. You really have to start thinking about who these audiences are and speak to them. Best brands have learned to leverage the emotional connection within our brain. This is the thing we call gut feel, that we don't know why we made a decision, but we did. And that gut feel is really important, and the only way to connect with it is through emotion. Bottom line, we live in a world where the best products don't always make it, believe it or not. But from our experience, we have seen that the emotional connection almost never fails. So the best-in-class approaches to this that we've seen really entail looking at audiences and looking at their individual journeys. And even people in an audience, like a cancer patient, might have different journeys depending on where they are. Is it the first time? Is it a recurring event? Are they stage 1? Are they stage 4? And you really have to understand that, create those personas, and create the journey map that will guide your whole content development and the ability to have the conversation. You really have to get outside opinion. Too many companies sometimes believe they've seen it all, they understand it, and I can get that, but I don't think that's really what you want. You really want to immerse yourself into these audiences' lives. And you know what, to the degree that you can get a third party to come in that's independent, hasn't been thinking like you, and use them, and they're practiced in this area, you're going to get a much better result. Medicine is a journey. Many people who are under care and so forth see it as a patient journey. It's not just a marketing term. So this is really where you want to connect. You really want to find what motivates these people and how you speak to them directly.